Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I just want to give you a heads up. There's going to be no videos or pictures in today's video. Mainly because my company that I work for told me that the company that I'm currently working for, basically I'm not allowed to take any pictures or videos at work anymore. So anyways, I can work around that with blueprints and drawing stuff with Microsoft Paint or whatever like that. So no inside the building videos for the next, I guess, until I'm off this project or done working with this company. So hopefully that won't be too long, but just giving you guys a heads up. But I was working on those pipes on the ceiling again. I don't even think I bent a single pipe today, and I did have a good day. It was miles better than yesterday. I just wanted to say that, and thanks for all the kind messages, everyone. It really meant a lot to me that you guys reached out and tried to encourage me and just make me feel better. And anyways, I'm driving up to my friends, currently on the way to a weekend with my friends, which is 260 miles away from my house. So anyways, doing that, heading up to my friends to carpool with them, drop my car off. But anyways, I just want to give you guys an update and hopefully you guys will look forward to the different way that I'm going to be bringing videos to you guys for the next, I guess, until further notice, with I guess blueprints and just descriptions and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. If not, then we'll just have to wait until I get back to my company. So anyways, I need to use my maps. I just want to give you guys an update and thank you for all the support and for all the like on the last video. I appreciate that. And hopefully you guys have a great weekend as well, and God bless. And if you want to check out the description for social medias and follow along on that'd be sweet if you want to, or click the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos. And yeah, smash that like button if you enjoyed, and subscribe until the next video, and I will see you guys next time. God bless. Peace out.